Welcome in another update from Egypt, from Hurghada, Hotel Hawaii Caesar and Aqua Palace. That is my second time here, and the first time the reason to book this hotel was that I saw and read that there are 30 swimming pools here, so I decided to give it a try. But back then, when I came in the beginning of March for a week, I couldn't go even once in the water, in the beautiful swimming pools or in the sea, because it was crazy wind. And look at here, very beautiful. And I certainly hope for this vacation to have the chance with less wind and to enjoy the vacation more. It is really very beautiful. Obviously there are no many in-house guests. And see the slide there, very beautiful. And that is the bridge. The bridge looks like a bridge from a fairy tale. And here in front of me, that is another big slide. Aqua bar. We'll visit it tomorrow. If it's open, I hope to be open. To check in the aqua bar. And that is the hotel behind me. As you can see, there are no many rooms enlightened because December 1st totally is out of season, and December is not the month when the people usually go vacation. Very beautiful. I'm walking you to the beach, and meanwhile we will see all of these swimming pools and beautiful gardens, and we'll go to the beach together. From what I know here in Egypt, all the people, they are very friendly, very polite. If you have some questions, they will answer you. And now that we are out of the season, there are obviously less guests than crew, and everyone from the staff is additional, very extremely polite. Sometimes it's good, but sometimes makes me feel uncomfortable. And here that is another swimming pool for young children. Here is a snake. Well, for sure tomorrow in the daylight I will make more videos to see how it looks like in the day. And here is something different. Aqua activities. If you are coming here for first time in Hurghada and you don't know what to do, I want to tell you that here there is a zoo. I went there. It's not very big, but it's not very small zoo, so you can go and visit it. There is Hurghada Museum. I haven't visited yet, but maybe this time I will go there. Here from Hurghada there are guided tours to Cairo, to the pyramids and to the Egyptian museum, so keep that in mind. And if you go to get your guide, you can see all the activities that are here in Hurghada and in general in the whole world. Here I'm crossing something like a beach restaurant to show you another swimming pool. This swimming pool is for this side, and see these small houses, apartments, condos that is there on swimming pool, so they don't have to go to the bigger ones. I remember that when I was in this hotel the first time, I was very surprised to see that there is a small zoo. A small zoo, let's say, with few animals, few birds, few monkeys, parrots. And that was very interesting. Never been before in a hotel that has its own zoo. And here is another swimming pool. And we are closer to the beach. Yes, and here there is another swimming pool. Well, obviously this hotel is the hotel with the most swimming pools in Hurghada. Okay, here there is another restaurant, but because of my timing, I do believe that this restaurant will not work. But going to the main restaurant, that is not a big deal. Here you see another water activities, and we are close to the beach. The reason I came here. Well, I have to give all credits to the architect of this hotel. Everything is very beautiful, very stylish, and very well organized. For some reason I remember that the hotel was way bigger, but now it seems to me like smaller. And here that is the beach. From the reception you will receive your cards for the beach towels. And the last time, unfortunately, I lost my towel, so I had to pay 10 euro. But that was 5 years ago. Maybe now the fee is bigger. And that is the private beach of the hotel. Here you can play beach volleyball, basketball. There is here another beach bar, but yes, I'm sure that it will not work. And the Red Sea is right ahead of us. Tomorrow morning, the first thing morning, I'll be here in the water.